For years, Meta's smart glasses have carried somebody else's name on the front, first Ray-Ban, then Oakley. But that changed this week as Meta officially launched its first smart glasses collection built around its own brand called Meta Glasses. What's particularly interesting is that even though Meta is stepping into the spotlight, it's not doing it alone. The glasses are still being manufactured by EssilorLuxottica, the same eyewear giant behind Ray-Ban and Oakley. So while the famous fashion logos are gone, the expertise behind the hardware remains exactly where it was before. The biggest headline here might actually be the price. Meta glasses start at $299, making them roughly $80 cheaper than the second generation Ray-Ban Meta glasses. That price point tells us a lot about Meta's intentions. Rather than positioning these as premium fashion accessories, the company seems focused on getting AI-powered glasses onto as many faces as possible. With competitors like Samsung and Apple reportedly working on displayless smart glasses of their own, Meta appears determined to build a massive user base before the competition arrives. The lineup itself comes in 3 different frame styles with a total of 26 color and lens combinations. The lineup includes the Meta Adventurer, a classic Wayfarer-style frame available in standard and large sizes, and the Meta Fury, which features a bolder, chunkier design. Depending on the configuration, both models are priced between $299 and $379. For those looking for something more fashion-focused, Meta is offering the Starfire Kylie Edition, a premium collaboration with Kylie Jenner that features a slimmer oval frame design and several exclusive touches, including a small gemstone near the camera module, metal nose pads designed to resist makeup residue, and even the option to use an AI-generated version of Kylie Jenner's voice during onboarding and assistant interactions. The charging case gets special treatment too, featuring a built-in mirror and a handwritten note. Interestingly, the Starfire frames are also designed to sit slightly lower on the nose bridge than traditional eyewear, giving them a distinct fashion-forward look. Now, before anyone gets too excited, these are still displayless smart glasses. There is no screen floating information in front of your eyes, no augmented reality overlays, but Meta has clearly spent time addressing some of the comfort complaints people had with earlier generations. The new frames feature adjustable nose pads, adjustable temple tips, and redesigned hinges that flare outward slightly. That may sound like a small change, but for people with wider head shapes, it could make a noticeable difference in day-to-day comfort. Meta also confirmed full prescription lens compatibility and introduced a new RX lens swap program, allowing users to get lenses fitted through their preferred local optician without affecting warranty coverage. When it comes to hardware, Meta didn't reinvent everything. The glasses carry over the same proven media system found in the second generation Ray-Ban Meta glasses. That means a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 3K video, open-ear speakers for audio playback, and a 6-microphone system strategically positioned across the frame, including microphones on the nose pads, temple arms, and front frame to improve voice pickup and environmental awareness. Meta has also upgraded the physical controls with a dedicated action button on the right arm. Instead of serving a single purpose, the button can now be customized as a multifunction shortcut, allowing users to quickly launch specific features or AI actions with a single press. Battery life also holds its own here. Meta is claiming up to 8 hours of use from the glasses themselves, which perfectly matches the standard set by the more expensive Ray-Ban Gen 2s. The redesigned charging case provides an additional 40 hours of backup power. While it's not a massive leap forward over the previous generation, the fact that Meta kept that same 8-hour battery performance while cutting the price tag down to $299 is a huge win for daily usability. But while the hardware changes are mostly evolutionary, the software side is where things get really interesting. These are the first smart glasses to ship with Muse Spark, the multimodal AI model developed by Meta's newly established superintelligence labs. According to Meta, Muse Spark significantly improves visual understanding. Instead of simply answering voice commands, the assistant can better understand what you're actually looking at. You can point the camera at a location, an object, a menu, or even an entire scene and ask detailed conversational questions. The AI can provide contextual recommendations, help manage schedules, and offer real-time information based on what it sees around you. Of course, every discussion about smart glasses eventually leads to privacy concerns, and Meta spent time addressing that as well. The glasses continue to feature a bright front-facing recording indicator that lights up whenever the camera is active. In addition, Meta has implemented tamper detection software that completely disables camera functionality if the system detects that the recording LED has been covered or obstructed. Perhaps most notably, Meta stated that facial recognition is neither included nor currently being developed for this product line. According to the company, unresolved regulatory hurdles and privacy concerns make facial recognition a non-starter for now. Looking at the bigger picture, Meta glasses feel less like a flashy hardware upgrade and more like an attempt to make AI eyewear mainstream. The hardware improvements are welcome, but the real story here is the lower pricing, improved comfort, and the introduction of Muse Spark. Meta seems convinced that AI assistants will eventually move beyond smartphones, and these glasses might be the company's most aggressive attempt yet to make that future happen. Whether consumers embrace Meta-branded glasses the same way they embraced Ray-Ban Meta remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: Meta is no longer content being the software company behind smart glasses. It now wants its own name front and center. Peace.